Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a lip swatch video. You guys really seem to like my lip swatch videos from the past, so I felt the need to bring you guys a new one. And I'm super excited to be showing you guys this video because I'm going to be showing you the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipsticks. These have been out for a while now, and I'm just getting around to making a video because you guys know I've been gone, but I did want to put one up because I absolutely love these. These are some of my all-time favorite liquid lipsticks. You guys know how obsessed I am with liquid lipsticks, and these are some of my favorite. I have some really high-end ones that are like over $30. These are only $4.99. $4.99, and they are absolutely amazing. They're super comfortable, super long wearing. When you need to reapply, it is not a problem. You can just reapply right on. You don't have to take anything off. You don't have to, do a magic trick to try to reapply it. You can just go ahead and reapply, and it looks fine like you just put it on that morning. They have so many different colors, so if you like nudes, they have something for you. If you like dark vampy colors, there's something for you. I only have 8 shades to show you guys today because I do buy all of this stuff with my own money, so I only purchase things that I think will look good on my skin tone or that I can mix and match with things that I already have in my collection. So if you guys want to see me swatch these on my lips, keep watching the video. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. It's a wrap. Hopefully you guys found something that you liked and you want to try it out. If you're just starting out with liquid lipsticks, I highly recommend you go hit up Wet n Wild because, like I said, super affordable, long lasting. They feel great on the lips. And there's a color out there for everybody. If there's any lip products that you want to see me do a lip swatch on this channel with, let me know down in the comments because there's something new coming out every day. And if you want to see it on this channel, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Also, give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys like these types of videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.